What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a power cleaning on your Epson EcoTank printer to clear clogged ink from your print heads quickly and efficiently. Now guys, to do this we are going to be using the control panel over here. So if you don't have one guys, I'd recommend finding another video on our channel meant for your EcoTank, like an EC2 700 if you don't have a screen. That's completely okay guys, but in today's video we're going to be using this screen to navigate, and I'm going to show you how to do a power cleaning and just some recommendations that come along with that. So guys, let's get right into it. I'm using an EC2 900, but if you have a different printer with a control panel, that's okay guys. All the EcoTanks work exactly the same. They all have the same software and hardware. So now that that's done guys, let's get into it. So to find the power cleaning option guys, you need to go onto your screen and scroll along all the way to maintenance. Press OK, and then scroll along to head cleaning. Don't get confused with power ink flushing. It is under the head cleaning bracket. Power ink flushing is slightly different. You might want to try it if the power cleaning doesn't work and you have noticed that you have clogs. But we want to go to OK, and we want to press no here, because guys, if we know that we want to do a power cleaning, we don't really need to do the nozzle check. But you can if you want. You know, if you don't know that you need to do one of these, then I would suggest doing a nozzle check. I do have a video down below showing you how to do one and like how to know if you need a power cleaning. But I'm just going to show you how to do the power cleaning in this one. So we're going to press no, and we're going to scroll down to power cleaning and press OK. So press OK again, and then you need to put some paper in the back and press this button to start. Now guys, a few things I want to mention is that you will need to have like a third of your ink tanks filled. I would recommend honestly having it up to halfway, but like around midway through here is also fine. This will use a lot of ink, okay? This is honestly quite a costly process, so I wouldn't recommend doing it too much, and I wouldn't recommend doing it too much. And if you do it honestly more than once in like a 72-hour period, you have a huge risk of damaging your printer, okay? So make sure that you only do this once. You wait for 24 hours and then you come back to your printer to make sure that it's all okay. But other than that guys, go crazy. I hope that this does help, and I hope that this clears any clogged ink from your printer. And yeah, if this did help guys, make sure to like and subscribe. That would help us out so much. And yeah, I will see you all in the next one.